at least something good came to this new reboot. Tonight we're going to draw Nillious Titanium Evolution. This is a new transformation that was debuted on the new Bakugan Reboot series. I've already watched it, and well, basically, this thing's that show's kind of a ripoff. Most of the characters that were seen in this anime were basically characters that looked like they were from the 80s. Another thing about these guys, they made Drago, Nillious, and Trux look like idiots. They looked nothing like what they looked like back in the original. I prefer the Battle Planet series from seasons 1 through Legends. Hopefully, I wish for the Legends series to continue to evolve. I always thought that the new Bakugan series would be the Awesome Brawlers all grown up, with Drago as the main protagonist, as always. 1 minute. Hello? Who is this?
So good.
Can I help you with anything?
Oh, sorry, I got the wrong number. Sorry about that.
Yeah, it's no big deal. Yeah, I don't know what that was about. Here's this metal part here. One thing about Nillious is that this guy has a series of evolutions, and this happens to be one of them. In the series, these new Bakugan have new forms. One gold, the other silver. Well, this one is titanium. Titanium and silver evolution were transformations. Gold evolution was a transformation that was hacked from the database. It needed some testing, and they managed to get it done. Man, these Battle Planet bosses are really hard to do. But I'm getting it done. Come on. Come on, device. A lot of new stuff has appeared in 2023, starting with Majin Ozato, the main antagonist of Meteor Mission. Plus, their theme song is really exciting to watch. Plus, it's exciting to listen to. Whoa, what is that? Looks like I didn't notice this feature. Wow, drawing that must have taken some time. There we are. There we are. There we are. Here's his tail. There we are. That's one side done. Now there's only one other side we need to get done, and that's this one. Man, these wings are really big. But this is the point of drawing stuff. These things take time. There's no rushing it. It's like drawing titanium evolution nillious. It's like drawing a knight. This form of nillious is like it's like a dragon in knight's armor. Sir Nillious the Brave. Now that's funny and kind of interesting. Anyway, there he is. That is how you draw titanium evolution nillious. Wow, pretty easy. Kind of easy if you ask me. What a better way to kick off this episode than with something like this. This is just the start. I know the show isn't really that good, but I did get some interesting footage on the Bakugan that I've recently drawn up. They're amazing to look at. Anyway, I prefer the Bakugan Legends Bakugan, and you guys are free to check those out if you want, anytime. And, well, I'm going to be drawing those real soon. Anyway, be sure to let me know which one of the Bakugan from the very boring third reboots should be. Anyway, that's all for now. Good night.